Hey, you're on.
Oh, yeah.
My God.
He's going straight under that damn boat, man.
A bit. Yeah.
All right, let's get this show on the road. Lord of the Magpies today. Oh, you really want some? Take it easy. Be gentle. And some more too. Alright, everyone's fed. Let's go catch a food. Alright, naughty Jade, naughty pleasures. Fresh gear on. Mo's just rocked up.
G'day.
Going back down the spot real quick. See if we can come up with something. No more talking. It's going to be high tide when we get down there. So we've got a little bit of walking through some water before it recedes for us. So let's do it. Okay, back at it again. The spot is ours. It's windy. We're going to be pulling out our normal little tricks today as well. We're going to use the last of the gar we caught down the pond the other day. Still got that beautiful shine. Maybe we get another jew. Just as a backup if we don't get any live bait. Oh, disgusting. I picked up a massive mullet from the tackle store the other day. So this thing's just leaking juice everywhere. If we don't get any liveys. I'm pretty sure we'll get liveys. That's one big dirty bait. Filthy. That's why you don't smash your thin chopping boards with a big knife. The action is out there on top of that water where the birds are. baits quick, throw them back out for about 20 minutes, we might be done. Pretty much dead low tide. Naughty Jade's got about 15 minutes and he's got a bail. He's got work tomorrow, baby. Got to keep getting that petrol money for that boat. I've got to head back home. Mo's going to stick it out for another hour or two.